The digestive system. Explain the structure of the digestive system. Analyze the function of the digestive system. Discuss the characteristics and treatment of common digestive disorders. Definitions. Digestion: the process of changing complex solid foods into simpler soluble forms which can be absorbed by body cells. Enzymes: chemical substances that promote chemical reactions in living things. Alimentary canal: digestive tract or gastrointestinal tract, GI tract, a 30-feet tube from mouth to anus. Accessory organs of digestion: tongue, teeth, salivary glands, pancreas, liver, gallbladder. Functions of the digestive system. Physical breakdown of food. Chemical digestion of food into the end products of fat, carbohydrates, and protein. Absorb nutrients into blood capillaries of the small intestines. Eliminate waste products of digestion. Structure of organs of digestion. Mouth. Food enters digestive system through mouth, buccal cavity. Inside mouth covered with mucous membrane. Roof of mouth is hard palate, bone, and soft palate. Uvular flap that hangs off soft palate prevents food from going up the nose when you swallow. Tongue attached to floor of mouth helps in chewing and swallowing. Made of skeletal muscle attached to 4 bones. Papilla: taste buds, on the surface. Salivary glands: 3 pairs of glands. Parotid, largest salivary glands, they become inflamed during mumps. Secrete saliva: teeth, gingiva, gums, support and protect teeth. Mastication, chewing, teeth helps in mechanical digestion. Deciduous teeth: baby teeth, number 20. Adult mouth has 32 teeth. Esophagus. Muscular tube 10 long. Connects pharynx and stomach, stomach upper part of abdominal cavity. Cardiac sphincter: circular layer of muscle, controls passage of food into stomach. Pyloric sphincter valve, regulates the entrance of food into duodenum. Ruggy mucus coat lining of stomach enfolds when the stomach is empty. Stomach had muscular coat that allows it to contract, peristalsis, and push food into the small intestine. Small intestines. Duodenum: first segment, curves around pancreas, 12 long. Jejunum: next section, 8 feet long. Ileum: final portion, 10 to 12 feet long. Absorption in small intestine: digested food passes into bloodstream and onto body cells, indigestible passes onto large intestine. Accessory organs of digestion. Pancreas: located behind the stomach. Exocrine function: secretes digestive enzymes. Also has endocrine function. Liver: largest organ in the body. Located below the diaphragm, upper right quadrant. Manufactures bile. Connected to gallbladder and small intestine by ducts. Functions: produce and store glucose in the form of glycogen. Detoxify alcohol, drugs and other harmful substances. Manufacture blood proteins. Prepare urea from the breakdown of amino acids. Store vitamins A, D, and B complex. Test your gray matter. The middle segment of the small intestine is called the what feather-shaped organ secreted enzymes to digest food. A small muscular sac that secretes bile and is located in the right upper quadrant of the abdominal cavity is the. Another word or synonym for the throat is. The part of the body that separates the mouth from the nasal cavity is the. The external opening of the large intestines is the. Food moves from the pharynx to the stomach by passing through the jejunum, pancreas, gallbladder, pharynx, hard palate, anus, esophagus. The gland which secrete a watery fluid in the mouth are called. The organ that is divided into 3 sections and is approximately 20 feet long is the. The blind sac attached to the cecum and having no known function is known as the salivary gland. Small intestine. Appendix. The purpose of maltase, sucrase and lactase is to. The physical breakdown of food begins in the muscular organ that aids with chewing and swallowing of food is the. What is the purpose of peristalsis? Which enzyme causes the initial chemical breakdown of carbohydrates? A semi-solid mixture of food and gastric juice in the stomach is called. Which part of the small intestine receives bile from the gallbladder and liver? Break down simple sugars. Mouth. Tongue. To push food forward. Ptyalin. Chyme. Duodenum. What organ detoxifies alcohol? The muscle between the esophagus and the stomach that keeps food from going back up into the esophagus is the. What organ detoxifies alcohol? The process in which broken down food moves from the intestine into the blood and lymph is called. The wave-like motions of the intestines that move food along the digestive tract are called. Cardiac sphincter. Liver. Absorption. Peristalsis.